You may have your favorite bike for years and you wouldn't exchange it for anything in this world, but you still want to save some energy while riding a bike. So an e-bike conversion kit on this bike will be a really good choice. So this is the Kamingo e-bike conversion kit. It claims to be world's smallest and most powerful e-bike converter. Just by looking at the key components, I do think it is very compact. The structure is sturdy and balanced. Now it's doing a Kickstarter. If you like this one after this review, you can head to the link down below for more information. Now let's start with the unboxing and some specs. The whole kit comes in this nice box, and there's a thoughtful Apple-like zip line at the side, so the box can be opened easily like so. Then everything is well packed and protected. Now from the opening, you already know what the components are. There's the motor unit, the motor mount, the battery, the controller on the handlebar, and a sensor on the pedal bar, along with the charger for the battery, a cable, and some screws. And since this set is still a working prototype, some of them may not look that perfect. Let's just keep that in mind. Putting everything on the bike is very straightforward. The motor mount on first, then the motor unit. There's a clever design here. Lift the locks up, slide the motor unit in, then push the locks at the side in. Done. Very simple and time saving. Next, the battery, slide it in, voila. Then the sensor on the pedal and the controller on the handlebar. Lastly, use the cable to connect the battery and the motor. One side of the cable is magnetic. It snaps on very easily and it is very strong. Okay, all done. It does take around only 3 minutes to install everything. So this brings in the first highlight. The motor unit and the battery are separated. Less pressure on the mount, so it won't get loose easily. Therefore, less chance the whole unit will fall off. And with every mounting unit in place, you can just reinstall everything and start riding in 10 seconds. This is the second highlight. While the battery was in the charging, I was surprised to find that it can draw 133 watt of power, which is massive, and sure can get a full charge very fast. The motor is called a PMSM motor. It is known for high efficiency, a large power to size ratio, and the ability to generate torque at zero speed. It claims to be able to output a 750 watt power max, and it can get up to very high speeds. But to fit into the local laws, the highest speed for, let's say, the USA is 20 miles per hour and 25 kilometers per hour for the EU, UK, Australia, etc. There are 3 modes. The simplest one is the standby mode, which means the roller will just wind up and not interfere with the ride at all. This can even be done while you're riding, which is indeed something new. And since the unit is very lightweight, at just 920 grams, it is very secure there. In fact, it is probably the smallest one in the market right now. Then there's the assist mode. You pedal, the motor will support your ride with the strength you want. You pedal harder, the boost will be stronger, and the signal is from the sensor on the pedal. I think this mode is suitable for most occasions and energy efficient. I found this mode very smooth. The feedback is very intuitive. Whenever I want to have some support on the slope, the power kicks in very quickly. If you're tired or your purpose of having this kit is to transform your bike entirely, then the cruise mode is the best. It will just use the power to drive the bike forward. You can use the throttle to control the power, and it is also very intuitive. Although cruise mode is super cool, this function may not be available in some regions due to local restrictions. The battery is a 266 watt hour with a 21700 lithium battery pack inside. It claims to be able to support 55 miles or 90 kilometers of assist mode. For me, it's like a week of commute to work. Very good capacity. The overall riding experience is very good. Since we are living in the city, there aren't many hills or slopes, but it is heavily populated, so it's good to test the power output and smoothness. And I can say it is pretty good. Whenever there's a speed bump and I need to slow down, then pick the speed up, no matter if it is assist mode or the cruise mode, the power support is always instant. The whole kit can also fit on many kinds of bikes, either road bike, mountain bikes, or more. The company told us that they are making different types of motor to fit into different bikes. Also, I think it is very clever to design a battery pack like that. It is separated from the motor and it can fully utilize the cup holder's place. And you can put it in your backpack whenever you are not riding the bike for the safety reason, or charge it. The battery pack is only 1.4 kilograms, not heavy at all. There's a port for charging your phone or something else. The charging time, as we tested, is about 3 hours. The whole kit has a waterproof rating on them, mostly IP66, so you don't need to worry about rain or anything. So this is the Kamingo e-bike converter. It can turn your favorite bike into a battery-driven bike. The whole kit is so small, so powerful, and very easy to use and install. The best part, I think, is the motor. It is very compact and the build quality is also very good. This kit is a very good investment for many people, like daily commuters, elderly people, maybe a food delivery man, and many more. So this product is in the Kickstarter phase, and I think it has a lot of potential. If you're interested in it, there's the link below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.